Alright guys, we're out here in Carnegie again. Pretty busy Sunday. It should be fun. So I had a leak on the Kickstarter seal. I was losing quite a bit of oil. I saw it was low, so I just changed that out and topped off with some oil. But now I'm finding that the tire keeps losing pressure, and that was actually my problem. I kept, like, you know, not feeling comfortable in the turns. It turns out all my tire pressure was low. It was below 10. It was like 8. But I just filled it last night and I brought it over here and I checked it. It's low again, so hopefully I can still get some pretty good laps. But let's see. I kind of warmed it up already. Still need more warming up. Okay, first laps of the day. We're gonna be going slow. Whoops in the turn. Okay guys, so I know it's mostly my skill is why I crashed, but every few rides I keep having to refill air in the right fork. It keeps going low, and then both tires also lose pressure. So it changed the way the bike handles, you know, as time goes on. I'm having to refill everything, but definitely should get those, you know, replaced. I think seals in the forks, and then of course new inner tubes. This really needs a new rear tire actually, because it's cracking. Even though the tread's not